Hi everyone, this is Yi. Welcome to our daily Chinese phrases series, which can make you sound more like a native Chinese speaker. I will give you guys 10 very practical sentences in each video, which we use them every day in real life. I will make these sentences super natural, not just translated from English sentences. And I will explain and give you guys a lot of examples how to use them. If you find this video helpful, then please don't hesitate to share this video with your other friends. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more lessons like this. Without further ado, let's look at today's lesson. So the first thing you say after you woke up in the morning is good morning. You probably know 早上好. Yeah, it's completely correct. But for us, if you met some close friends, you may just say 早啊,早. It sounds a lot natural this way. Second, 你今天气色不错. 你今天气色不错. You look great today. It's such a nice compliment for everybody. 气色, 气 means air, gas, and here it just means your spirit, your energy. And 色 means color, and here refers to your appearance, your look. 气色, your energy and your appearance all look great. 你气色不错. 你今天气色不错. Third, 让一下. 让一下 means move. 让一下. If somebody's in your way, you can say 让一下, or you can say 借过一下. 借过一下. If you want to make them sound more polite, you can add 请 in the front. 请让一下. 请借过一下. There's a video about how can you sound more polite when you speak in Chinese. So if you're interested, please go ahead and watch it. I will also put the link in the description area as well. Fourth, 请帮我按一下5楼. Please press 5th floor for me. Yeah, so when you are taking elevator, this is useful phrases you need to know. 请帮我按一下5楼. 请帮我按一下10楼. Fifth, 我支持你. I support you. Say this to your friend to show your support to them. 我想要学钢琴. I want to learn piano. 我支持你. I support you. 我想要约她出去. I want to ask her out. 我支持你. I support you. Just do it. 6. 我饿得前胸贴后背了. It just means you are extremely starving. 前胸 means your chest, and 后背 means your back. 贴 means stick. Your chest and your back all stick together. It means there's nothing in your stomach. You're just extremely starving. 我饿得前胸贴后背了. 7th, 我们中午吃什么? What should we eat for lunch? 我们中午吃什么? 8th, 你跑哪儿去了? 跑 means run. Where did you run? It actually just means where did you go? Where are you? It's same as 你去哪儿? 你在哪儿? 你跑哪儿去了? 会议马上就要开始了. Where are you? The meeting is gonna start. 你跑哪儿去了? 我找了你半天. Where did you go? I've been looking for you. And 半天 means a half day, but it doesn't really mean a real half day. It just exaggerates you looking for this person for a long time. 9. 你能挪一下吗? 挪 means move, scoot over. 你能挪一下桌子吗? Can you move this table? 你能挪一下吗? It means can you just scoot over a little bit? I want to sit here. 你能挪一下吗? 我想坐这儿. 10th, the last one. 一切顺利. 顺利 means swimmingly. Everything goes smooth. 一切顺利. If your friend is going to do something, you give him or her the best wishes. You can say 一切顺利. 我祝你明天考试一切顺利. I wish your exam tomorrow is gonna be smooth. 这次旅行一切顺利. This trip was smooth. It went well. So these are all for today. These 10 expressions will make you sound more like a native Chinese speaker. They are super practical and useful. You can use them almost every day in real life. I will keep making more videos like this, so please don't forget to subscribe it. And if you like it, please share with your friend and give me a little thumb up. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. 酱酱